Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Arbitrum bridge for cheap transactions from Ethereum step by step clearly. To enable the Arbitrum bridge for cheap transactions from Ethereum, start by opening your preferred web browser. Navigate to the Arbitrum official website. Locate the bridge option on the homepage and click on it. Connect your Ethereum wallet by selecting the wallet option at the top right corner. Choose your wallet type from the available options. Follow the prompts to connect your wallet securely. Once connected, ensure you have Ethereum in your wallet for transaction fees. Confirm that you are on the Ethereum mainnet before proceeding. Now, select the amount of Ethereum you wish to bridge to Arbitrum. Review the estimated fees displayed on the screen. Click the bridge button to initiate the transfer. A transaction confirmation window will pop up from your wallet. Review the transaction details carefully before confirming. After confirmation, wait for the transaction to be processed on the Ethereum network. Once the transaction is confirmed, you will receive a notification. You will then see your bridged assets appear in your Arbitrum wallet. Congratulations, you have successfully enabled the Arbitrum bridge for cheap transactions from Ethereum. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.